Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make beef tacos. These are packed with so much flavor, they're delicious and perfect for Taco Tuesdays or any other day. Let's get started. We're going to start by making the beef taco seasoning. Into an empty bowl, add some chili powder, cumin, paprika, some chili pepper flakes and oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, and last add some salt and black pepper. Go ahead and mix everything together very well, then set the taco seasoning aside for later. Next, place a pan over medium heat, then add some olive oil. Once the oil gets hot, throw in some diced onion, then cook the onion until it browns up a little bit, just like that. Next, we're going to add some ground beef to the onion. Use your spatula to break the meat apart, just like that. Then add the taco seasoning we made earlier. By the way, you can make a big batch of the taco seasoning and add more to the meat depending on how intense you want the flavor. Mix everything together, then cook the meat for about a minute or two or until it's no longer pink. Next, toss in some tomato paste and some chicken broth. I didn't use beef broth because there's a lot of beef flavor going on in here and the chicken broth adds to the flavor. Once everything is mixed in, you're going to turn your heat all the way down to low. Then you're going to let the meat slow cook for 15 minutes. Make sure you keep it covered. Once the taco meat has finished cooking, the meat will become very tender and flavorful, which means it's time to serve this. I'm serving with some store-bought taco shells. You can find these at your local grocery store. I'm scooping big spoonfuls of taco meat, then filling the taco shells. Next, I'm going to add my toppings. You can use whatever toppings you like. I'm just adding some diced tomatoes, some slices of red onion, some chopped cilantro, sharp cheddar cheese. Last, you can add any sauce of your choice. I like adding queso sauce. You could even add sour cream or hot sauce if you like. And that's it, you guys. These tacos are ready to be enjoyed. These are great for Taco Tuesdays or any day at all. They're so delicious. You guys have to try them. Check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.